Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about investing in ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs have been growing in popularity among investors in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a simple and cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to a variety of asset classes. What are ETFs? But first, let's start with the basics. ETFs are investment funds that trade on a stock exchange, just like a stock. They hold a basket of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, and are designed to track the performance of a particular market index or sector. For example, you can invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index, which would give you exposure to the 500 largest companies in the US. Why invest in ETFs? So, why invest in ETFs? Well, there are a few key advantages. Firstly, ETFs offer diversification, which means you can spread your investments across multiple asset classes and reduce your risk. You can also gain exposure to markets or sectors that you may not have access to otherwise, such as emerging markets or specific industries. Secondly, ETFs are typically low cost compared to actively managed mutual funds, which can eat into your returns through fees and expenses. And finally, ETFs are highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell them throughout the trading day just like a stock, making them a convenient and flexible investment option. How to invest in ETFs? So, how do you invest in ETFs? It's actually quite simple. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a reputable broker. Then, you can search for the ETFs you want to invest in using your broker's trading platform. You'll see a list of available ETFs, along with their ticker symbols, expense ratios, and other important information. You can then place an order to buy the ETF just like you would buy a stock. Choosing the right ETFs, of course, choosing the right ETFs is key to a successful investment strategy. You'll want to consider factors such as the ETF's expense ratio, the underlying assets it holds, its track record, and its investment objective. For example, if you're looking for a diversified ETF that tracks the broad US stock market, you might consider an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index. On the other hand, if you're interested in investing in renewable energy companies, you might look for an ETF that tracks the clean energy section. In conclusion, investing in ETFs can be a smart way to build a diversified portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. With their low costs, flexibility, and ease of access, ETFs are a great option for both novice and experienced investors. So, if you're looking to get started with ETF investing, take some time to research and choose the right ETFs that align with your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.